Another service is AWS Device Farm, and just need to know it at a high level. But the idea is that, say you are running a big application that you published on the App Store or the iOS Store, then you want to test that application across many devices to make sure it works on all these devices. So device farm is going to be an application testing service for your mobile and even your web application. And the cool thing is that you are going to have this test done across real browsers and real mobile devices. And all these tests are going to be fully automated using a framework. The idea is by testing across real devices would be browsers or mobile devices, like you are going to be able to improve the quality of the web and your mobile apps by making sure it runs correctly on all the devices you want. And in case it doesn't run correctly, then you can generate automatically videos and logs to document the issues that have been encountered. And then even better, you can remotely log into devices for enhanced debugging. So this is what device form looks like as a having as fast from the console. As you can see, it found some issues already. You can see it very found some issues on the Nexus 6. As you may be able to see the model name of the phone, Nexus 6 and LGZ Flex Store, and it tells you what has been going wrong, and so you can look into the failure and for these two devices and understand why the test has passed on, say on like other SG device, SCG device, STC device, and but hasn't passed on the your Motorola or your LG device. And that's it. That's the whole idea behind AWS Device Farm. The similar services are also available like the Selenium. Selenium also do the same thing, testing, and even the like AWS Firebase, Google Firebase is also do the mobile testing. I don't think for mobile application testing AWS Firebase too. And the similar is the Selenium. Selenium you can do even the web testing and mobile testing and every other, and you can even create some of the videos. Everything out there available with the even the Selenium SDK is the like device testing services for the mobile and web application. That's the I've been recognized from the even some of the third-party companies or the industry in the standard. Okay, here the AWS device farm is available. You should know about it because there could be some question based on this in the solution architect professional exam. So that's it. I will see you in the next one.